Start then.
Okay, good morning, gentlemen. From this picture, I perceive nearly 6 characters. Their ages are 5 of them are male and 1 is female. All their ages are 33, 35, 47, and a small 12-year-old boy. And the female lady, is an aged lady of age 74. So my story goes like this. Rajesh was a newly appointed IS officer in Nagaon district. So before he started off his career as an administrator, he decided to visit a nearby old age home to seek blessings from the elderly. He went there, he talked with all the elderly people and spent an entire day with them. They spent a lot of time and they even had lunch with them. Many TV channels even came and reported the new district collector's story in many different channels. And as a result, there was a lot of love and support and blessings coming in from in and around the state. Rajesh started off his professional career as an IS officer with a very noble gesture, and this is why he was very happy at the end of the day. This was my story. Thank you.
Jack, start.
Good morning, everyone. So my story has mainly six characters, and 5 of them are male. And the main 2 characters are Raghav and Ram. And the story has a female character who is an old lady, around 80. Raghav was a graduate student, a master's degree graduate in history, and was doing his master's. And he had always a curiosity and interest towards the tribal people who live in his nearby village. And he came to know a friend, Ram, who was a senior in the college. And it was Ram and Raghu was leading a very happy college life. And it happened suddenly that both of them um, agreed upon a common decision to know about the tribal people and go there and know their lives. So they mobilized some people, around 5 of them, and all of them went to that village. And
Next.
Hello, gentlemen. My story consists of 6 characters with 5 males and 1 female. All the male are almost of age of 25, and the moods are positive. So Mohan is a boy from a village in Jharkhand. He with his friend completed their secondary education in a government college, government secondary school. Then they wanted to pursue their higher education in his college in the city, but they belong to a poor family. So what they did is Mohan thought of creating a self-help group. So he called upon all his 5 or 4 friends, and with the help of a old lady, they met every evening and collected 100 to 200 rupees every day. In this way, they raised funds. They also got donations from their family and other relatives, and in this way, they had their higher education in the city and also pursued for a good career in their life. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen.
Bhavna.
Sir, actually, I have not seen the picture, so I...
Write any story. Tell any story.
Okay, so in this, good morning, everyone. So in this given picture, I have perceived 5 characters, 1 female and 4 male. So Sarita is a graduate from Sri Ram College. She went to his she is an NCC cadet. She went to his village for a vacation, where she saw that there it was the end of the Kharif season, and the villagers were burning their crops to make it ready for the Rabi season, for the wheat cultivation. So due to which there was a lot of pollution around. So she along with the few villagers, she organized a meeting and told about created an awareness program around. And she also went and to meet the nodal officer, who awared them about the harmful effects of this, and also told them about the mechanized.
Start discussion, please.
Okay, gentlemen, we all of us had the same thing that we perceived 6 characters. There were 6 characters in the story, right? So there
Yes.
was five. There were 5 male people, and there was one female lady who was a very aged person. She looked nearly 70 plus. So we all agree with that, right?
Yes.
Do we all agree with?
Yes.
And and as far as the background, the theme of the story is concerned, it is somewhere set in a village sort of area,
Yes.
a little
Yes.
bit underprivileged
It is
place where not all resources are available. So all of Jack and Ian, you had you people made a story about something related to education.
Yes,
They
we
were
made related to
you
education, and since
they were related
they
to
were also
education.
looking poor from their background and from their appearance, so it is better to have a story related to their education and raising funds, because they were also carrying some material and some like postcards with them, and they were
But at the same time, to me, it looked like as if they were some TV news channel reporters who were actually recording the entire
I
situation
think
or
that
reporting.
that old lady is the center of attraction. Everyone is looking at her.
Yes, because she was the most aged and the most experienced lady over there. So they were
I think
either
they
seeking
were
so they
trying
must
to
have
know.
been taking some consultations from her because she
Yeah.
is highly experienced for her
I think they
as
were
in life.
doing some reports about their lives, her life.
And
So
at the
you
same
could
time,
see a camera.
I was hearing, when I was hearing the Iron story, I had a very good point because it looked like they were from a very poor background. So
Yes.
maybe they were, raising funds for their own
Yes.
education, and they were nearly. But at the same time, what about the other 2 people behind him?
So we can make them all the friends and consult and taking consultations from the old lady.
Okay,
For raising funds.
but one of the 2 people who were behind, one was
Yes.
no doubt an elderly person.
Yes.
But the other one
Should
was
be.
the other one was a young kid that somehow doesn't look.
Yes, there may be
Yeah.
some village kid who are listening to their talks.
Yeah, that can be. Yeah,
Yes.
that can be one solution. In my case,
It
I
should
thought
be
that
like
maybe the old age home was owned by that particular person who was standing behind them, because my story was based on an old age home. So that person was the owner, and maybe that was his son. And since the district collector had come, a lot of people had gathered around that. That was my point. But at the same,
Yes, but since the majority of us have the story related to a poor background in a village, so let us have this as the.
Okay, yeah, let's go with that. Let's go with that.
Yes, so
Okay,
let us
I know
conclude with
that
the final story.
So I think
we can conclude that.
So they were basically raising funds.
We can conclude that
Yes, they will
were
raising funds for their higher education, and they will also taking consultations from an old lady.
Yes,
of the village.
Consultations.
And all that.
You meant what kind of consultations?
For raising funds and
all those men were.
But since they were from from the rural background, you can't expect them to them to raise funds. Someone else has to raise the funds.
No, those men were guests there.
Since they have created a committee of self-help groups, so in self-help group they raise funds.
Yeah, but
I think those men are outsiders.
Okay, then we can go with that.
They came there to help that lady.
Yes, okay, that will be a good idea. They have also taken funds from the relatives and some outsiders.
Yes, outsiders.
Okay, then.
First of all, by the way, if we go with this story, who will be the hero? We need the hero, right?
So hero is one person who has created the committee, who has first taken the initiative to create the self-help group.
So
they should be college mates.
Where do we place them in the story? Where do we place that hero in the story? Where is
Let
he?
it be Mohan of age 25, and he had much dreams to.
Okay, listen. 2 friends. Okay. They were raising money. They were raising funds for their own education. So a third person who is supposedly to be the hero, he has created the self-help group.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So that's so we have to highlight the entire story based on him, right? Hero.
Yes.
Somehow it doesn't.
Hero, and he's also helping his other poor friends to study in the city college.
Yeah, that is a very good thing. Yeah, that you have a good point. And there's okay, so hero is so there's a hero. We have got a hero. We have got the
Yes.
two people who have come to the old lady to seek consultations as well, and help them how to go about raising funds. Right?
Yes. So let us
Okay.
conclude to a common story.
So the common so we have got the characters. We have nearly 6 characters. So not all the 6 characters are very important in the story. We could say they were just gathered around it.
Yes.
They were his friends who had come. They had given some envelopes or whatever, as Ayan rightly said. And there was the hero. You
Yes.
named Mohan, right?
Yes.
A guy named Mohan. He came up with the advice that you should like, he advised those two persons,
Yes,
those two students, to create a
yes,
self-help group.
Yes. And they raised
So
funds.
Vedas
They
man-
also seek consultations from the old lady. And in this way, they could raise funds to study in the college city.
Yes, that's
Were those
absolutely
men
fine.
helping that lady or helping themselves?
Maybe
They were helping themselves and seeking consultations.
Yeah, they were helping
Why should-
themselves. Why don't we do one thing, like, why not make that old lady one of the mothers of the students, one of those boys?
Yes,
We can even do that, right?
yes, and
They were
she's just
talking about
listening
it
to them.
probably. They were
And-
probably
and-
sharing what they're doing,
And one of
And-
the boy whose mother is that old lady, they're meeting.
They're also helping them. She's
Yes.
also helping them.
Yes, and they're meeting nearby his house, so she is there. Okay, this will be a good
I
idea.
think that
But
is
I
better
think-
because
But I think
We
every men were looking at her in curiosity. So I think that she should be an outsider for them. And all those men should be outsiders in the village, and they should be looking at the life of that lady to know about her life and helping her.
yes, but
No, but since we have come to a common story, then let us conclude it here with.
So what's the story?
So there is
Well, the
Mohan, a
story
boy
was very
from
simple,
village in Jharkhand, and he
Name-
took the initiative
what are the
to
two boys? Name of the
create
two
a.
boys.
So anything I have only named the main
Let's
character,
go
which
with
is Mohan.
Rajesh and Raghav.
Okay, Rajesh and Raghav. Then he called his friends. They created a self-help group.
Let's say it. He called one of his seniors named Mohan, who was
Yes.
already a very good, well-qualified person, well-qualified student. He's already passed out. So they were asking help from him. What could be done, because they don't have enough money to continue with the secondary.
Stop discussion. Right, gentlemen. Before we talk first and foremost, let me just do Bhavna and Jack has been totally left behind. I grant her on there because she joined in later. Probably she didn't want to participate on there. Gentlemen, if you don't participate, you are gone. No one is going to keep around. Secondly, let's start from what Rajdeep has said. He said he has identified an IS officer who joined duty. Before joining duty, he has gone to an old age home where he is meeting the people around there, and he is getting TV show that look, before joining IS or rather his duty, he is gone to the. What does
He's
this?
gone there to seek blessings, sir.
So it is. What does it indicate? Is it not show business? It's one time.
So
event. It's a one-time event that he's talking about. It before going to that, he became IS. Secondly, what is the age of the IS officer? He should at
Sir,
least
24.
24.
23, 24.
What is your age? You are class 12 pass. So there is you are identifying yourself with slightly on your hero should ideally be your age and sex. Okay. If you are female, make a female as a hero. If you are male, make male as a hero. Number one. Number two, it is not necessary for 18 hero. It can be 20, it can be 21. Doesn't make any difference. So plus minus, it can also be 17. That's not an issue. But it should ideally be hero should be ideally you. Next, there should be problem. What is the problem you define by going to old age home? What are you defining? Is there any problem?
Sir,
No.
actually, I did not see any problem in the picture, so I went for an aim.
It
a
is not.
good aim.
You have to perceive. Picture will remain. Picture is one snapshot. When you are looking at a movie and you tell when the TV stops in between, you get only one frame. You have to look at it. What is the frame behind that, and what is going to be the frame after that? So it is one part of it that is supposed to be whatever. You have to integrate that picture with the story that you're writing. There is no problem. He goes and meet around there, happiness around there. So it is you are what you are thinking? You are wishful. You are wishful. You're just thinking what it is. I say original, really. What is a clear, realistic, and original? Your story should be clear, realistic, and original. Is there any clarity to the story? There is not a story. It's an event, description of an event. It's not a story by itself. Number one. Number two, when you have got started discussing, we'll talk about discussion later on. Let's talk about after that. Yes, was Jack who gave out the story. Jack, you have taken 1 minute, you have not even come to the field of the story. You couldn't even say what the story is. In 60 seconds, you have to completely tell me what is the theme of your story. You kept on talking, hovering around that I graduate, postgraduate, then tribal person, happy life. So how does that matter? After 1 minute plus, you came back. They wanted to explore what the tribal people are like. That's the end of it. So is it a story?
No.
What is your age? 10 plus 2. What you are talking about? Graduate, super masters. Then you are thinking about it. You kept on enjoying. You say happy life. What does it indicate? You are not all bothered about what is happening around there. You want to enjoyment, liveliness, happiness is the only. You want to have party and enjoy the party. So that's not the case. Where's the problem? What is the problem? Why do you want to go to travel area? You have to understand that. Let's end up it. Next comes to Iron. What did Iron do? Iron did, he is gone to Jharkhand. He has got a group of people, 12 people. Suddenly he realized they have to go to study at, say, some out city time. Did you tell they don't have money? Why do you have to raise your money? From where? Why do you have to raise money and self-help group? They has to need. Where is the need? Are all people were all people poor? You have never said that. They are separate. People, group of 4 or 5 people, they have raised a self-help group. And from there, you went aside into all possible direction. Who is going to give the money? You did not require any money till 12th. Suddenly, you require money now. Why can't you think of getting a loan from a bank? Which government is giving to you? Why you didn't require money? How did you fund your education till now? What are you going to do after that? So that's the problem. Nawab Nawab, she came back in a very common old Gisa-Pita story, taking the clue what is happening in the system. That is the staple burning. And that's a normal thing. It's not a story. It's a description of an event. I want you to write a story. A story has got thought, feeling, and ideas. They have to have heroes. They have to have something around that. They have to problem definition. You have to raise up system. Even if you want to talk staple burning, you have to come back. Yes, in order to stop staple burning, he formed a group of people who went around with the talk with the farmers around. They convinced them. They wanted to compensate. They have started some. So all sorts of activities could have been done. An industry could have been set up around there. So where staple could utilize making a paper, some other thing around there, and we were happy. Why not? Take that clue. And after having done that, when you started discussing, Rajdeep took the floor and he continued. All 4 of you allowed him free run, right till end. Till such time I have to in why are people allowing Rajdeep to move? So what has Rajdeep done? He had forgotten his own story and he hooked on to Iron's story. And so he just left it around there. Why can't you fight for your own story? What's wrong with you? If you allow someone else, so the Iron becomes a hero. You are relegated. You cannot pass. Second, Jack. Now, after that, you kept on talking all relevant things. You talked about, you said TV reporters coming for rural raise funds. Very good points. You always said very good points. That's okay. Good. Very nice. You remember, I've told you 3 things. Group task role. What are they? Group building role and self-centered role. Did I say or not? What is the group task role? You have to be initiator. You have to be opinion giver. You have to opinion seeker. You have to act as a coordinator. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So until you give out a point without credit, how can you get any credit? Can you get any credit? Tell me. If you cannot afford to get credit, then what's the use? So Rajiv has left him, abandoned his own story, thinking my story is bad, and straightway allowed Ayan's story to come back. So who was get the credit? In spite of the fact that Ayan came much later on, is that Ayan gets the credit for sticking to his own thing and allowing that to go. Now, you have Rajdeep has taken a very good role of coordinating things. So I'll grant him that much. So still he scores a point there. As far as Jack is concerned, Jack couldn't afford to manage do anything. He left it free. You couldn't participate, and if you don't participate, there is no chance. Bhavna probably got entangled into it because she couldn't afford to contribute anything. Probably she was shy enough to get in the system. Gentlemen, it's fight for your survival. 50% people are going to ultimately reject it. If they are going to be rejected, unless you put in effort, you cannot afford to make it. You cannot make it. So now, I'll still repeat, your point should be, give out the story in 60 seconds. How do you practice? Take your mobile nowadays, think of any plot and put a stopwatch on and think, are you in a position to convince, tell your story in 60 seconds or not? It can be 1 second earlier to 1 second later. That doesn't make any difference. Secondly, you must really, as Ayan and Rajdeep came into play, it's a village scene, very nice. And Bhavna also butted into it and telling, yes, it's a village scene. And that's the right way of doing it. That's only how discussion can go. So it's a village scene. Our theme or story must be related to the village. Very nice, good. After that, there are 5 people or 6 people, maybe 1 extra. That doesn't make any difference. And you ask, who is the hero? Why should I make the hero him hero, or why not someone else? So those are all irrelevant questions. You are trying to expose yourself. You remember, reasoning ability is a grasp. G for girl, G for grasp, I for inquiring attitude, R for receptivity, L for logic. Rajdeep, a point of warning to you, you are asking questions which are irrelevant, which are putting them down. Ask intelligent questions, and intelligent butting should be there. Have you got my? You got it, you wanted to get into it, very nice. But your plot was so feeble, so weak, that you could not afford to hold on to your own story. I told you, no story is wrong. No story, wrong. So at least fight for your story. You cannot allow to give any free passage to anyone. Okay. Any question, anyone?
No, sir.
No,
I start from one by one. Rajdeep, any question?
No, sir.
Jack?
Sir, after getting concluded into a common story, sir, who is going to narrate that story?
I asked Jack to come into it. You are Ayan. Yeah, Jack, tell me.
Sir, how should we find the space to speak in between?
You have to find yourself. It's like a honeybee. In a honeybee, thousands of bees come and they put the nectar inside the nest, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In the hive, don't they give, done the honeybee gives hive to the nectar to the honeybee. Does honeybee have to, are they fighting? You have to find the slot in between. There's a gap. You have to get inside the gap. To find the gap and get inside it like a honeybee. You have to put the nectar inside the group aim. Group aim is the nectar. That is the nectar. You have to put that a point that you put is the nectar. That's how you have to do it. No one is going to free space. No one yet you come into it. It's a survival. Everyone is selfish nowadays and should be selfish. Why not? It's my survival. I must find so expose myself. Any doubt? Jack?
No, sir.
I am asking a question.
Sir, sorry to interfere before, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, after getting concluded to a common story, sir, who will narrate the story?
You will not find that time around coming. Anyone coming. You leader has to be chosen by the group. You have to find yourself assertive. You remember, but you can't be aggressive. You have to be assertive. Assertive leadership. Listen, gentlemen, if you agree, so like now in this case, Rajdeep took on the leader on there, and Rajdeep took on the leadership quality. You all became, in spite of your being slightly better. Now, I can't say not slightly better on the story. You could have done much better. We have not talked about where, from where this, why did they require money? How did they raise it? Why couldn't they afford to work in the evening? Why couldn't they start education, say coaching in the evening, earn money? So where is the need of only self-help group? Who is going to give that money? So you have to think, it will be illogical to that extent. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bhavna, any question?
So do we always have to like support our story, or if we want to support some other story, we can do that?
Understand. You have written your story. Who is you? Why do you write a story? To fight for it or give a free passage to others?
Fight for it.
Fight for it.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, make adjustment. Later on, make adjustment. You can't really say which story is good. You make adjustment. That's how I now said it is a village scene. Let's say you all agree village scene. Okay, someone says 5 character, I said 3 character. Okay, let's add only 4 character, gentlemen. Someone says no, he's going for education. You are saying he's going for sports. Okay, he's going for some sport. Let's go. Okay, especially let's go for they are going for adventure. So that compromise, any decision will have to be certain amount of compromise will have to rationally come into the. You have to come rationally into it. No? You have to use your brain. You can't really be allowing anyone free passes. There is no way. Because there is no freedom. There is no leader. Everyone is a leader. All 15 people, and there's a 15 people are fish market. If it's a fish market, you have to be the best fish. Which is the best fish? Rajdeep? Which is the best fish?
Sir, best fish in the sense?
What is the best fish you eat?
Rohu.
Rohu. So make a rohu. You become a rohu. So everyone looks at you. Simple. Okay. Any other question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Taludar, anything you want to add?
Yes, I was slightly disappointed today after having gone through so many days of our hard work. Somehow, the story, none of you told a story. I think you described the picture more than the story. Now, when you read a storybook, if you don't like the story, what do? You close the book. And if you like the story, you read it till the end. Okay? So you have to build up a good story. Right? Other day, I had told you about leadership. Leader emerges from a group. Now, here what happened was, Rajdeep was given all the opportunities to become the leader.
He couldn't take it.
The other 3, lady and the gentleman.
Rajdeep also couldn't take it. Unfortunately, he couldn't take it. He was given.
I am coming to that. I'm coming to that. So after having given all the opportunities to Rajdeep could not hold on to his own story. Now, if you have emerged as a leader, it is your story which should go be floating around, not somebody else's story.
Not a story. Even if you take someone, you have to modify. You cannot afford to now have your whole story accepted by all group. You have to modify that. So, but once you have given leadership quality, you I said group task group. What he said, group task group, group building role, and self-centered role. Is it or not? So you have to take that task role. Imagine the 5 points that I have said, become that, use that. And if you are quiet, no one is going to tell you. Okay.
Now coming to Jack's point, that how do I intervene, how do I interfere, how do I come into the discussion? Do you watch TV? Have you seen Arnab Goswami's discussions in the 9 o'clock discussion? Okay,
yes, sir.
What happens then? You find about 12, 15 panelists, right? But only about 4, 5 of them get into discussions unless there is a moderator. Arnab is a moderator. He brings in those guys who have not spoken. But in your case, you will not have a moderator. Your psycho or psychologist or GTO will not come in there and say, come, Thomas, why don't you speak? There will be nobody there. So you have to make yourself speak. You have to take the initiative. Right?
Yes.
Please keep in mind, without being aggressive. Don't be aggressive. Don't start saying, Rajdeep, now keep quiet. You have spoken.